Hi, I'm Scott Rankin, Sales Engineer with LifeSize Communications. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the integration between LifeSize UVC Video Center Enterprise Edition and Blackboard Learn. This integration combines the simplicity of single button recording, streaming, and auto-publishing with LifeSize UVC Video Center with one of the world's leading learning management systems, Blackboard Learn. So at a high level, there's three topics I'm going to cover for you today. One is, as a Blackboard Learn administrator, how do I integrate these two systems together? Secondly, as an instructor, how do I integrate content from LifeSize UVC Video Center into my lesson plan? And then, of course, lastly, we'll look at it from the perspective of a student and how they experience content from UVC Video Center in a typical Blackboard Learn lesson. So we'll switch over to my desktop and we'll drive through those three topics. Okay, so we've logged into Blackboard Learn as an admin. So what we're going to do as a first step, of course, is to integrate UVC Video Center with Blackboard Learn. So to do that, we're going to go over to System Admin. And we're going to install the building block for LifeSize UVC Video Center. So we go to Building Blocks, go to Install Tools, and we're going to upload the building block for Video Center. I have that building block on my local hard drive, so I'm going to click on Browse. This is going to be a .war file. So there it is there. Click Open. And we click Submit. So with the building block installed, we need to make a few configuration changes. So we're going to find the building block for LifeSize UVC Video Center. We're going to go to Settings. We're going to give it coordinates for the video center we want to integrate with, and provide it with administrator credentials on Video Center. So we'll use administrator, and give it the administrator password. We'll submit that. Okay, Blackboard reports success that the building block was configured successfully. So we know we've authenticated. We want to enable that building block. So we'll find the LifeSize UVC Video Center building block. We'll set it as available. And then lastly, we want to make sure that all the options are enabled for that particular building block. So we'll go back to System Admin. We're going to click on Tools. We'll scroll down to the LifeSize UVC Video Center mashup. We just want to make sure that all these features are on. So they are in this case. And then lastly, we'd like to include a module on the front page under My Institution for the LifeSize UVC Video Center building block. So we're going to add a module. I'm going to scroll down the list. LifeSize Video Center Media Browser. So we're going to add that as a module to the front page. And now, if I go back to My Institution, I'll see that I have this particular module added to the My Institution page. So I can look at live videos, on-demand videos, or browse channels. So with the two systems now integrated, we're going to walk through the steps to add Video Center content into a Blackboard Learn course. So I'm going to log out here real quick, and I'm going to log back in as an instructor. Now what's important to note here is that the Video Center content I'm able to view as this instructor is going to be limited to the content I either own on Video Center or has been made publicly available. So I'm going to log into Blackboard here. I'm going to go to Courses, and we're going to search for a course. So we're going to add content to the LifeSize UVC Platform Training course. So we'll click on UVC. We're going to click on Content, and mouse over Build Content and go to LifeSize Video Center Content. So this allows me to search for a video on LifeSize Video Center. This also accepts wildcards, so I'm just going to put an asterisk in here, and this will show all of the content on Video Center that the user S-Rankin is entitled to view. So we'll see that there are about a half dozen recordings that user S-Rankin is allowed to view and thus import into a Blackboard Learn content. If I go to the actual video center and log into admin, so I'm logging in as an administrator here and view all videos, you'll see that there's quite a bit more content available on this particular video center. But from the perspective of Blackboard, I'm limited to only the content that S-Rankin is allowed to access on Video Center. So I'm going to add how to trial and deploy LifeSize UVC platform to this particular course. So I'm going to select this recording. And we'll go with the description that was imported from Video Center. We'll leave all the default options and then click Submit. So that particular recording has now been added into the Blackboard Learn course called LifeSize UVC Platform Training. So from an instructor's perspective, these are the basic steps to import content from LifeSize UVC Video Center into a Blackboard Learn course. Lastly, let's look at how a student might experience this content within the context of Blackboard Learn. So we're going to log out as an instructor, and we'll log back in as a student. We'll click on Courses. Let's say I'm interested in learning about UVC platform trials. We'll search for UVC. We'll find this course here, LifeSize UVC Platform Training. We'll click on Content for this course. And then we'll watch this friendly gentleman explain how to obtain and deploy a LifeSize UVC platform trial. So we'll click play. This will look very familiar to you if you're familiar with UVC Video Center. It's exactly the same player with all the same functionality. So I can take this full screen. If there were side-by-side content, I could choose my own layout, either highlighting the presentation or the presenter. I can also select a quality level that I want to experience this particular recording in. We'll take that out of full screen. And close that down. So we've covered the integration from the perspective of a Blackboard Learn administrator, an instructor, and a student. The integration provides all the benefits of LifeSize UVC Video Center embedded into and accessible from Blackboard Learn. Everything from single button recording, streaming, and auto-publishing to the ability of a viewer to choose his or her own layout during playback. I hope this has been helpful, and have a great day.